Straight to the central region where over 50 houses, including school buildings at Gomoa, Ochereko and Gomoa Mampong have been ripped off completely during a heavy downpour in the Gomoa East district of the central region.
Over 150 persons have been affected and living homeless after a heavy downpour in the Gomoa East. In an interview with TV Africa's Nana Yawasari, some of the affected persons, including Assembly member for Gomoa Ochereko electoral area, said they have no place to sleep tonight due to the heavy downpour and are calling on the government to come to their aid with roofing sheets and food items to save lives and properties.
And say normal in Suya, but to be frank and honest with you, and from my bono. School down electric poles and individual houses be breeze swap paper almost about 20 swap paper do if baby or who say or na let the akoto another a dine so any yes you watch economy I think say as in that move for and they be my you any morning baby na as in that move for her na say on baba be born a kakra I think say a better because me ask you or krum hand no enya papa ye nim ba bi afri pepe ye gina ho me nim sister ba ko ye gina ho ye hu ase dan na ma so ne se eh o ye ka se eh pepe fem dan na ma so se hum le nso no topan from my modern ne ye hu ba bi kra ye mfa ense ye dan nyina papa bi de me nwama nyina afo aya asam na me gya nyina han ahi na me da.
Meanwhile, the Gomoa East NADMO director Robert Hackman revealed that records have been taken, but they are handicapped, so he's calling on the central government to assist NADMO and the community to help curb the situation.
Another roofing sheet and I don't know that so much baby or bad war in the copy michina the oya was party. One can the I don't know no do it today or means to show by I done by 40 to 50 and do apa to the oya was empire. Not more for me and assembly to the ma, you sound there. You won't pay for ye chillinty, ye didn't kind of original director, and the me so the original director, so or the reporting about Kakoma, headquarters, and any moi or them paying for what the few headquarters and what the Bababois or ye Gomoa is not more from what the Bababois. And if you so much, I said, I'm going to be around so one on some farm or ye Gomoa is not more for Sunday, made ready or there.